Hey everybody, this is Josh from Broken Ogre Farm. I'm out here quickly, hopefully. I'm going to be working on my B500 Vermeer backhoe that has never worked. I got from somebody for cheap. What I'm going to try to do today is I need to take this control unit out because it leaks. This does all the handles and stuff. It's already unscrewed. It's just being held in by all of the hoses. So I'm going to go through and take the hoses off. I've labeled them with single stripe up here, double stripe, single stripe, double stripe. When I have more than that, so I'll probably just repeat that pattern once I get to a point. Maybe. I mean, a lot of these hoses just need to be replaced. That one's shot. I mean, this thing's probably not worth it in the long run anyhow. But, you know, we got to see. So I got a bucket down here, start catching extra hydraulic fluid if I can. Got my trusty gloves on. Come on. These hoses have not been moved in quite a while. So I imagine they're not going to go very far. Let's see if I can get this main feed line off, or turn line. Not. Spin. There we go. It sounded like it was leaking pretty bad. I don't see it now. If I know this company, but I'll speed it up. All right, now what did I do with my other wrench? There it is. All up in the mess. These two go to the leg over here, hoping this thing doesn't decide, hey, I have no pressure, I'm going to fall now.
Should be loose, but I think it's just hung up on that.
Thought I was gonna have to use different markers, but there's these different size fittings, so I can really not have to worry about that too much. I'll show you in a sec when I get this thing loose. Oh, what that one goes to. Look at it. Alright, I'm gonna go around the other side, pull off the other real quick. Hopefully, quick. Say quick. Okay. Now, there is one right there. I don't know how you get to that one.
You wanna get there or not?
Can't get my hand on it well enough to turn it. I might have to get a pair of needle nose or something. Like, it's loose, it's very loose. I just cannot put enough finger strength on it to make it go where I want it to go. Yeah, the nuisance of that. See if I got a pair of needle nose I can use for that. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Oh, then. This hose is out the way. This one. I think. Come on. Don't do that to me. What am I hung up on? Oh, yeah, hung up on that. There we go. Bigger. There we go. Oh. Yeah. That thing is surprisingly heavy. Alright, well that was a mess. And a nightmare. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go clean my hands off so I can handle the camera. Alright. So this is the hydraulic control unit. I'm gonna sneeze. Essentially what you have an inlet. That one I was fighting with on the bottom here is just plugged off. I'll probably just try and get a cap and put it there. And then a return, or I think that's just in case you have another set of controls. And then one set of controls controls the arm, swing arm, main arm, bucket arm, and then bucket. I don't know which one's which. Anyway, and then these two control the stability arms over here. So what I need to do when I tried to hook the tractor up to it, got this thing this way a lot, it was leaking from all the O-rings. So I need to take all this apart clean it up, obviously, because it's nasty. See if I can replace any O-rings. See if I'm smart enough to figure that out. If not, I have to try engage a hydraulic specialist of some sort. Hey everybody, quick interlude into the main video. Ooh. I wanted to show you. So I've got it in the bucket. I got a scale. One sec. Weighs 65. Just the control assembly weighs 65 pounds. It has broken my concrete bucket in multiple places. So there you go, if anybody was wondering. Back to the main video. Anyway, so where it is, I'm going to do some cleaning up. What I'll probably do is I'll take some my rubber gloves, and wrap up these ends so they don't get anything in them, any water. But yeah, that's kind of the mess we're dealing with right now. Don't know if this project will ever be worth it or not. I mean, but it is a project. I mean, I fixed that one, but all the lines are pretty beat up. And I have no idea why it has smaller lines on that one section. I'll have to figure out where they go. So, yeah, there's the controls. Like I said, left, right, main boom, in, out. And then digging arm out, bucket in, up and down. And then, yeah, the stability arms, stability feet. It's feet. Anyway, that's the Vermeer B500. Backhoe that somebody turned into a questionable 3-point hitch attachment that I don't know if my tractor's big enough to really use. It's pretty heavy. But, you know, what else are you going to do? Take it apart and see how badly I can do it. Nothing else. I got a bunch of scrap steel I can use. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Talk to you later.